Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can pack Vinted Parcel. So in order to pack a Vinted Parcel, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now I'm gonna be instructing on how you can actually pack a Vinted Parcel, so make sure to follow the instructions. Now first of all, you can use an outer packaging material that is sturdy and strong, ideally a cardboard box, and you can pack the item with the bubble wrap, foam or paper, so there's no room for your item to move around in the package, so it won't be destroyed or whatsoever. And accordingly place the goods that might be affected by dirt, water or weight condition inside a plastic bag. So in this way you can pack a Vinted Parcel. Along with that, you need to make sure that you have labeled a shipping address and all of the information and the contact detail, all sort of things according to the buyer's mention point. So in this way you can pack Vinted Parcel. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.